Hey there everyone, in today's quick video you are going to see how to download Pinterest videos to your gallery. In today's video you will see the trick to download Pinterest videos, because sometimes we might need to download our desired videos, right? So it is applicable for both Android and iOS. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Pinterest app and head over to your supposed video that you want to download. Suppose I am going to this one. As you can see on my screen, the video is currently showing, and if I go to the three dots icon on the upper right corner, I can see there is no download option as like the other images in Pinterest. So all I need to do is click on the copy link, and you can see my link is copied to clipboard. So now just go to your home page and head over to your Chrome browser and search for Pinterest video downloader. Once you have searched for it, you can see several options Google gave you. So we want this one, the Pinterest video downloader one. So head over to that website. And as you can see, all you need to do is paste your link that you have just copied. So once I have pasted it, click on download. And they're currently working on my URL. And right there you can see the video I wanted to download. So now all I need to do is click on download video or force download video. And once I do it, this website will allow me to download this video, and I will be just able to save it on my gallery. And that's how it works. Hope this video will help you out to download your Pinterest videos on your phone's gallery. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can do it. And a quick tip, on the upper right corner, you must already have seen that my Pinterest video is already downloaded. You can see it is being downloaded. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. And we will see you in the next one.